Hello students, this is Manoj. In this session we are going to study about the different models of atom. The first model of atom was proposed by J.J. Thomson in the year 1898, and this is known as Plum pudding model. You can see the picture. According to this model, atoms may be regarded as a sphere of positive charge in which negatively charged electrons are embedded in such a manner that the whole model is electrically neutral. In this model, the mass of the atom is assumed to be uniformly distributed all over the atom. This model is also known as raisin pudding model. This model was discarded in the light of Rutherfords alpha ray scattering experiment. The major defect of this model is this model was able to explain the overall neutrality of the atom, but it could not explain any other property of the atom. Let us now discuss about Rutherford's alpha ray scattering experiment. It is also known as gold foil experiment. This experiment led to the discovery of nucleus. In the year 1911, Rutherford bombarded thin gold foil with alpha particles which were emitted from radium. Alpha particles are nothing but helium nucleus. Hence, they are massive particles. By conducting this experiment, he noted certain observations. He found that most of the alpha particle went straight to the gold foil, that is about almost 100%. A few alpha particles were deflected, that's around about 0.01%, and a very few, that is 1 in 50,000, got reflected or rebounded. Based on the observation, the following were the conclusions. Most of the space in the atom is empty. Since alpha particles are positively charged particles and have considerable mass, thus the deflection of a very few alpha particles indicates the presence of a positively charged mass at the center of the atom. And since a very few alpha particles are rebounded, the positively charged center were almost as massive as that of an atom. That means the positively charged center was extremely dense, which carried almost 100% mass of the atom, which he called the nucleus. In short, we can say that nucleus is extremely small, extremely dense, and positively charged. Let us look into the model that was proposed by Rutherford. According to him, an atom consists of a very small central region called nucleus, which is positively charged, and the entire mass of atom is concentrated in this small region. The size of nucleus is around about 10 raised to minus 15 meters, and the size of atom around about 10 raised to minus 10 meters or 1 angstrom. The magnitude of positive charge on the nucleus is different for different atoms. The negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus. The stability of the model was explained on the basis of the balancing of centrifugal force caused by the revolution of electrons, which was balanced by the centripetal force due to the electrostatic force of attraction between negatively charged electrons and positively charged nucleus. This model was capable of explaining the alpha ray scattering experimental observation. Why Rutherford's model was rejected? Well, according to Maxwell's electromagnetic theory, a charged particle, when subjected to acceleration, would emit electromagnetic radiation and loses energy. The electron, being a charged particle, and since it is moving in an orbit as a result of continuously changing the direction, it undergoes acceleration. Hence, as per Maxwell's theory, it should emit energy and fall into the nucleus. Since this does not happen, therefore, the Rutherfords model was discarded.